The courtroom rises as the judge enters. The tension is immediate. Mr. Hawkins steps forward to explain why he brought the case. His voice is calm, but there's frustration underneath. He has just learned that the mother of his child has suddenly retired from her job as a teacher and received a severance package. Now, he wants the court to determine what that means for child support.
Okay, Mr. Hawkins, you brought this case before the court.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's going on?
I just recently found out that she's just decided to retire now, and she's getting severance pay. And
She just decided. Wait a minute, let me stop you. She just decided to retire. So she
no,
still.
not just decided to retire. I just found out that she was retiring. I knew she was close to retirement time.
Mr. Hawkins tells the judge the retirement came as a surprise. He knew she was close to retirement age, but he didn't expect it to happen now. The judge begins asking careful questions. The numbers matter here. How much severance? How many children? The answers slowly paint the picture. One daughter, 17 years old, almost an adult.
So, but I didn't know she was retiring now.
So she works a job.
Yeah, she's a teacher.
She's a teacher, and she has a severance package as well?
Yes.
She's received. Okay, do you know how much it is? Or is there something I have to ask her?
You can say my name.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me. Let me address him, okay?
Okay.
I'll come to you as soon as I'm done.
Okay.
I promise.
All right. Thank
Okay,
you.
you're welcome. Go ahead.
Well, it's around.
The judge turns to the mother. She confirms the amount, about $25,000 in severance pay. She also explains her current salary as a teacher, around $52,000 a year. But something else catches the judge's attention. The way she speaks about Mr. Hawkins feels unusual, almost admiring.
Around $20,000.
Around 20,000. Okay.
Yes, I'm not sure the exact thing because it's not mine. So
How many kids do you all have?
we have one.
One child.
Yes,
Okay.
one little girl.
Okay, one little girl. How old is she?
17.
17. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay, you almost have her out the house.
Taking her butt to the military.
Okay. Okay. Ma'am, how much is the
Yes?
severance pay that you have?
Well, it is,
What
About-
amount is it, ma'am?
As the conversation continues, the mother praises Mr. Hawkins openly, calling him smart and successful. The courtroom atmosphere shifts. The judge quickly redirects the focus back to the legal matter. Personal feelings don't belong here. This court is about responsibility, specifically financial responsibility for their daughter.
it's 25,000,
Okay. And how much are you making as a teacher right now?
52, thereabouts. Not as much as him, though.
How much does he make? Why are you
He's
talking to
so
him like that? Why are you referring to him like that?
Well, Chris is just, he's just a great guy. He's does well. He's very smart. Aren't you, Chris?
Okay, do you guys, do you all need to be here today? It sounds like you have other business that you probably need to attend to.
No, Your Honor. Just
You
we
still
broke
have my
up
number.
quite a while ago.
Okay.
I'm remarried now. So
Okay. So,
I think this is just some theater going on.
The judge learns that the parents are no longer together. In fact, Mr. Hawkins has remarried. The mother admits she has heard about the new marriage. The judge quickly shuts down any hint of emotional storytelling. This hearing isn't about past relationships. It's about child support.
So
ma'am, are you aware that he's married?
I've heard some talk.
Okay. Well, he just told you he's married.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're going to stick to why we're here. We're not here for you to tell your love story about him, okay? This is for us to talk about you paying child support. Now, your daughter, who does she live
Our
with?
love child. Yes.
Okay, your love child. Who does your love child live with?
Chris.
Okay, and she's been living with Chris, correct?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor.
all right. And since she's been living with you, Mr. Hawkins, have you been receiving any type of child support?
The judge asks where the child lives. The answer is clear. Their daughter lives with Mr. Hawkins. He has been the primary caregiver. The mother has been paying a modest amount, around $227 per month. Mr. Hawkins explains he hasn't spent that money on himself. Instead, he's been placing it into a trust for their daughter's future.
Yes, we have. It's around $227 now.
Okay.
And I've been just putting that in a trust for our daughter, so she'll be able to get that once she's older.
Okay.
So I'm just right now just wanting this money, so it goes to her. So when she ends up leaving, go and do what she has to do, she has the money. So I'm not trying to break her or anything like that.
Okay.
It's just to help support my daughter.
Well, I hope you wouldn't, because she seems pretty infatuated with you. Ma'am, so what I'm going to do is calculate your child support, okay? So your child support I have at the...
Now the courtroom shifts fully into calculation mode. The judge begins breaking down the financial numbers step by step. The mother's teacher salary becomes the starting point. Her monthly gross income is calculated carefully. Then the judge adds something important, the severance package.
$52,000 a year. That's what you currently make as a teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Your gross is $4,400. And then that brings your net down to $3,653.78. Okay. Are you taking notes and following me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have your severance pay. I can deem that as income as well. Okay. Yes, I can. You looking real confused, but I can, and I am. Okay. So $25,000. We have your gross at $2,100. Okay. Mm-hmm. And then your net at $1,823.23. Okay. Do you understand? Is there anything wrong with the numbers?
Well, I'm a teacher.
The mother looks confused as the judge explains a key legal point. Even though the severance money is sitting in a savings account, the court can still treat it as income when calculating child support. The law allows it, and the judge makes it clear. This court will consider every source of income when determining what is fair for the child.
So we struggle, 50, that's not a lot of money that I live on. You understand, I'm sure.
Well, I understand, but I also understand that this child has been living with Mr. Hawkins, and you understand that child support is based on a calculation, right? Mm-hmm. Right? Okay. And any income, anything that is considered income it can be calculated in terms of calculating what your child support should be. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So based on that, I have a combined net of $5,477.01. Yes, ma'am.
When the judge finishes the calculations, the number is much higher than expected, over $1,000 per month. The mother visibly reacts, struggling to accept the figure. She reminds the court that teachers don't earn much. But the judge stands firm. Child support is based on numbers, not sympathy.
And then that brings, let me back up. I see here that you all both carry health insurance on the child?
Yes.
Okay, both double insured. Okay, so you all just maintain that. After a while, she'll fall off anyway because she'll be an adult. So I have your child support amount at $1,095.40. But I also heard you. Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes.
You're hyperventilating over there. Are you okay?
Well, Chris has that effect on me, but
you know what? I'm not even about to entertain that. I shouldn't have asked. That was the wrong question. I do apologize. Mr. Hawkins, you did say that the two of you were cordial?
Yes. It's
okay, because what I did, I also calculated what your child support would be a month as well because of...
Then the tone shifts again. The judge notices the mother reacting emotionally whenever Mr. Hawkins speaks. The judge calls it out directly, even joking that it's becoming uncomfortable. Despite the awkward moment, the judge returns to the real issue. What amount truly serves the child's best interest?
Your child is an adult, right? No. So based on what your child support would be, it would be like $871. Yeah. Based on, the documentation that you turned in as a police officer, right? Yeah. Does that sound right? Is that pretty accurate?
But I don't want too much stress on her because apparently it's...
Just don't look at her. Just keep looking at me. So, because it's creepy for me to even see it on my peripheral.
I can just do with $200. It's going to
$200?
She's got another year. It's $200.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is order child support at $200 by agreement of the parties, okay?
Yes.
All right, is there anything
So
else?
sweet.
Ma'am, you know what? That's great. Why don't you have a conversation with his wife after the show, okay?
In a surprising turn, Mr. Hawkins steps in. Instead of demanding the higher amount the calculations support, he requests something much smaller, just $200 a month for the final year before their daughter becomes an adult. The judge pauses, recognizing the cooperative spirit between the parents.
Is there anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, nothing further?
No.
Okay, you all are dismissed.
All right, thank you.
Hi guys, it's Vonda Bailey, and I'm coming to you as the lawyer this time. We have arrived at the educational portion of our show. I just wanted to go over what this segment would cover and how the different scenarios.
The judge approves the agreement. Child support will be set at $200 per month. With that decision, the courtroom settles. Numbers matter in this courtroom, but cooperation matters even more. When parents put their child first, justice becomes much simpler.